As you could see in the previous video, I was in the Mourne Mountains, but the mountains were a bit hidden by the clouds, and I painted in the park along the lake, but it was very windy, so I finished first painting. Well, actually I didn't finish it. I will finish it later in the studio, and I moved to another place that I've seen on my way to the Mourne Mountains the day before, and this is that place, and I'm going to paint there today. So I am I find this place. It's not too windy, so, and I am going to paint the view. Yeah, it's not too bad. Let's see how I go. So there I am, ready to work. This is not a fantastic day to paint outdoor, I have to say. Hi, so I've been here like about maybe 2.5 hours. And I'd say I'm finished because I'm tired. And there's nothing more I can do, I think. So I had lovely people stopping by and asking me questions. That was nice. I think I'm happy. It's very good. There are too many fields. I couldn't do all of them. I was getting lost, but I think it's quite good.